Hi, this is Professor Zhao. I lead the Future Wisdom Institute at Kyoto University. We recruit master and doctoral students of backgrounds but not limited to AI, computer science, data science, network science, law studies, economics, with interest in the fusion of science, technology, and humanity. At our lab, we approach research from the perspective of informatics, aiming to shape the future of life and society. Our work spans diverse methodologies, including network algorithms, optimization, image processing, machine learning, deep learning, and information entropy-based learning theories. A core focus of our research is developing information wisdom theory, which explores the nature of life. That is, nature gives life freedom, but life uses it to find order. This theory helps us study the potential, limitation, and ethical challenges of AI. Another core is developing non-proportional per capita indicators, which explores the non-proportional phenomenon in social and economic studies, and proposes standard per capita indicators to ensure equality. Our ongoing projects include innovative topics such as analyzing representative nodes in networks, designing fair systems for parliament apportionment, graph learning to infer chemical compounds and social networks, and leadership theory. We also explore practical applications of machine learning, such as disease screening through image learning. Through this research, we aim to contribute not just to technology, but also to understanding wisdom and creativity for a better future. In addition to academic activities, we also support the development of students. Our students are of diverse backgrounds. They were from China, Japan, Nepal, Australia, and so on, with majors including computer science, AI, psychology, engineering, law studies, education, art, management, economics, mathematics, and more. Moreover, I have experiences in leadership training for more than 10 years, including the Doctoral Leading Program, Shishukan, the Executive Leadership Program, ELP, and the Asian Future Leader Scholarship Program, AFSP, of Kyoto University. I would be glad to share the experience with the students. In summary, our lab helps the students to improve not only academic skills, but also human development. Please visit our website for detail. Let's enjoy learning and life.